Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add fonts on a Mac. Let's get started. In order to install custom fonts on your Mac, first you need to get the font that you want to install. You can either purchase the font from a font marketplace or search for the font you want to download using your web browser. So let's say we want to download a custom font. First, we'll go to the web browser. In this case, I'm going to use Safari. So I'll simply type the font name here in the search bar, or you can just type fonts. This will provide a bunch of websites where I can visit and download custom fonts. For now, I'll choose Google Fonts and visit this website, which is fonts.google.com. Here you can scroll through and download any custom font. Let's say I want to download this one. I'll simply click on it. Then to download this font family, click on the Download Family button. I need to allow the download. And as you can see, it is now in the Downloads folder. Next, it's time to install this custom font on your Mac. For that, I simply need to go to Launchpad like this. Then from the other folder, I'll select Font Book. I'll click on this. Here you can see all the custom fonts I have previously installed. To install the new custom font we just downloaded, first we need to unzip it. After that, simply drag the folder into the user section in Font Book. When you drag it into the user section, simply release your cursor and the custom font will be installed. Here we go. As you can see, the new font has been installed in the user section. That's how you can install custom fonts on your Mac. If you go to the All Fonts section, you'll see the newly installed font there as well. And to delete this font, just click on it, then click Remove to delete it. This is how you can add and delete fonts on Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.